In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Facebook dating profile. So let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to click on your menu. So after which you are going to see dating, you click on it. So once you're in your dating profile, you simply click on what? On this icon up here, that's a profile. So after which you simply click on what? Settings. So once you get here, you are going to see on the fresh recommendation, you are going to see delete profile. Simply click on it. After which, have in mind that if you delete your Facebook profile, it's going to take you another 7 days before you can create a new one. So after that, and also have in mind that you are going to delete all your photos, your images, and everything you have done on Facebook, and your conversations will be deleted. But anything you share to anyone on Facebook dating profile, it won't be deleted. So guys, after that, you click on what? Delete profile. So guys, once you're here, you simply need to give the reason in which you are deleting your Facebook profile. So if you don't have any reason, you simply click on what? Skip. You can see that is if you want to delete your Facebook dating profile. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below if you face any difficulty doing this. We love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.